Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw datasets from Hugging Face Hub for private reuse, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw datasets from Hugging Face Hub for private reuse, start by accessing the Hugging Face website. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to the Datasets section. Use the search bar to find the specific dataset you wish to withdraw. Click on the dataset title to open its dedicated page. Review the dataset details, including its description and usage terms. Locate the download button on the dataset page. Before downloading, ensure you comply with the dataset's licensing terms. For datasets that require authentication, you may need to generate a token. To do this, go to your profile settings and select Access Tokens. Create a new token with the appropriate permissions. Copy the generated token for later use. Return to the dataset page and find the command line instructions. You can choose to use the command line interface or download the files directly. If using the command line, open your terminal or command prompt. Use the Transformer CLI tool or the datasets library for downloading. Input the appropriate command using the token to authenticate. Replace placeholders in the command with the dataset identifier and token information. Execute the command to start downloading the dataset. Once downloaded, locate the files in your specified directory. You can now utilize the dataset for your private projects accordingly. Refer back to the documentation for any specific usage guidance or examples. Ensure your private use aligns with the dataset's original licensing agreement. Keep your access token secure and do not share it publicly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.